Hi, my name is Michelle Phillips, and I just wanted to record a quick video for John Comerford. I am a student of his, and I have taken his course on digital marketing. And the best thing so far is really the Q&A sessions, because you get so much out of them. There's a lot of questions that get asked by all the students, which is really helpful because they may be struggling with something that you're not struggling with, and you can learn a lot from that. And also he will go into great depth of detail just with the answers, and give you lots of background information as well, which is really helpful because you may not get that in the course, so it's additional information. I would not hesitate at all to take his courses or recommend him as a coach or mentor. He has lots of years experience as an agency owner, and he has lots of knowledge regarding the Facebook ads, and also as being an agency owner himself. He's very supportive, very patient, and he always answers your questions as soon as he can, with the appropriate knowledge and the depth of knowledge as well, which is really useful when you're starting out, or even getting going and you're trying to get your questions answered, really. So I wouldn't hesitate at all to recommend him. So I hope that answers any of your questions that you have. Thank you.